Hello guys, welcome to the channel Invest in Yourself. This is Govardhan. Yesterday we have suggested some of the small cap stocks for potential breakouts or potential pullbacks that we can take and make profit of 1 to 2%. Before looking for that, let's see what happened to my trades today. Okay, I have taken yesterday position in Indraprastha Medco. As you can see, there is a loss of 222. Actually what happened is today there is a upstocks pro glitch for BTST trades. I didn't I want to sell my position, but it's not accepting. As you can see, my order has kept at 96.20, but it has been rejected because of some of the glitches in the system, and it's okay. As it is a bullish stock, I am holding till now. I may sell tomorrow or day after tomorrow whenever it touches 95 or 96. There is a nice 3-4% of the profit, and let's see how our stocks have performed that we have discussed yesterday. And first is the Indra Medco. Morning itself it has broken out the yesterday's high and it has gone up to the resistance 1 point, still it didn't gone, but we have hit our target of 1% that we can book. And next one is the Century Plywood. It has given a flake breakout and it has hit our stop loss, or whoever can carry forward the trade, they can carry forward the trade as it is in a bullish momentum. And next one is the Dalmia Sugar. It is in purely sideways, there is no momentum at all. As you can see, it's purely in the sideways. And next one is CSB Bank. Wow, this is a just a fluke. Just it has broken today's high and it has gone up to R1. I can say guys, this type of trades are really very dangerous because it may be a trap. If you have taken the trade at here, see how much it has fallen from there, from almost 336 to almost until 302, which is a 30 rupees. 10%. No one can handle 10% loss, right? Whatever it may be on delivery or intraday, we can't handle 10% of loss. So whenever there is a huge candle like this, don't take the trade. Okay, see for the momentum breakouts, see here you can take, but no one dares to take here because it may reverse. But at the top they will try to take the advantage, so that it may go, they may think it may go to up to R2, but it has reversed. Sometimes it may hit, but most of the time it reverses. So be careful with this of breakout, this type of breakouts. Okay, and next one is the TV18. It's been my favorite. If I have funds today, I just gone for the stock at the today's high breaking out, and it has gone onto R2. Wow, it's a beautiful, man, almost 3 to 4% of gains. But I don't have funds, so that's why I didn't trade the TV18 broadcast stock. That's it for the yesterday's we discussed stocks. And what about for tomorrow? For tomorrow there are very good stocks like JK Lakshmi Cements and Indian Cements. Please add both of them, guys, as the small and mid cap cement stocks are being really very bullish. So let's see, both have almost have the same structure, but the India Cements is a little bit of more strengthier than the JK Lakshmi Cements. You can add even in your radar the India Cements. Okay, it has already breached the all-time high. If there is a 5 minutes, if there is a 20 EMA pullback, you can take there by seeing the bullish candle at the 20 EMA. Okay, and next one is the GM Fraudler. In this case, we can take a swing trade. Actually, I have taken a swing trade at 4,000 in my Zerodha account. Okay, I have been still holding. I have my targets as 6,300, almost 50%. I have invested maybe only two at 8,000 rupees. I have invested. That's it. And there is a little risk also. 700 I have taken as my stop loss, and it's been doing well till now. For swing trading, you can take that. And the Shakti pumps, this is totally based on the fundamentals, guys, not even technical. As the investors are seeing some of the value unlock in the stock. The peers of the same same industry have gained lot of value, but the Shakti pump didn't get that value. So the investors are seeing unlock in this stock, unlock value. So the investors are buying hugely. When investors are buying, you can see the volume here, right? You can see the volume. So this is the case when investors are buying. We can also be in that momentum, and we can also get some nice profit of 2 to 3% in this kind of momentum stocks. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And the next stock is Dalmia Sugar. Maybe you can wait for a breakout. I think for all time breakout. If it breaks out, we can see a nice bullish momentum, I think. Let's see once in 5 minutes chart. See, it's totally sideways today, totally. As you can see, this is the range. If you wanna take, there is a nice support here and good resistance here. If this range upside, only upside, guys, we are not going to short any stock, okay? Only upside breakout we can take at 353 levels and have a target of minimum 5 to 8 points, guys, because this is a momentum stock. It can easily hit our targets, okay? That's it, guys. Hope you have liked the video. I mean, if there is if you gained anything, please do like and share and comment to the channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.